bpytop, the best top for your terminal in 2021. Today I will show you how to install it and how it looks. I am installing on a Mac, but you can install on Linux as well, of course. And I will provide a link to the project GitHub page in the description. For Mac users, if you have Brew installed, you can simply type Brew install bpytop. But you hate Brew and don't use it? No worries. It's on Mac ports too.
In that case, just type port install bpytop. I personally use Brew and that is what I will show here. The GitHub page is well documented and has install instructions for all the main Linux distributions. I will not cover all those here, but click the link in the description and follow the instructions pertinent to your distro. Let us now install for Mac. Optionally install coretemp to see CPU core temperatures. Brew install hacker 1024/hacker 1024/coretemp. Here is what it looks like. Looks bloody good. Highly configurable with themes and such like. Give your top some coolness factor in 2021. Until next time, bye for now.